This is a payout I received for merely entering words. You won't need a yellow pen to earn payments like this, but you will need a phone or computer. Please do subscribe to my channel and turn on the notification bell before we begin. If you have any questions or suggestions, please leave them in the comment area below. Also, please give this video a big thumbs up if you found it useful. Okay, now let's return to the video. Now look at this. You can see a great huge PayPal payment is issued to me for merely entering a few words. Now results are not guaranteed. You may make more, the same, or a little less than this. But I can tell you one thing, if you don't follow the precise procedures in this video, you won't be able to get results like this, so make sure you watch it all the way through and don't skip any of the processes. Now the 3 steps to earning $50 every 10 minutes for typing words are as follows. Step 1. I'll reveal the top 3 platforms that pay people to type words. Step 2. I'll show you how to cash out quickly. And Step 3. I will reveal how to earn $35,000 per month passively on complete autopilot as a bonus near the end of the video. So make sure to stick around until the end to learn that secret. Okay, so the first thing we are going to do is go to the specific site that will not pay us but will help us earn more money. This site is called Ratatype, and you can practice typing here as well as take a test that will provide you with a certification that will guarantee you will earn money simply by having the little certification. So first we'll sign up for a free account and then we'll hit start typing, and then we'll take our typing test right here. Take a typing test. Once you press that, it will lead you to this page. So now we can start typing and I will show you how it works. As you can see, I am not the best typer, but that is good because you don't have to be, since it allows you to rectify your mistakes and just keep typing, okay? And as you improve, you may take it again and again and it will alter and update your typing test certification. Okay, so I'm going to stop here since I'm doing a terrible job, but the accuracy is very high. So once you've done that, you'll go ahead and go into your account and it will show you your typing certification. As you can see, I already took one and it stated my typing speed was this many words per minute and my accuracy was this percentage. And here is my typing certificate, which I can print out and which looks quite lovely, as you can see from the basic certificate number provided to me for typing in English at this speed and with this percentage accuracy. Now this is an average typing speed, so yours may be lower or greater. It doesn't matter, just keep practicing until you know you can get it to where you want it to be. In any case, acquire the certification since it will help you earn more money. Let's go on to the 3 platforms that pay you to type words, and you can basically submit the certificate to them and they will pay you extra, okay? So before we go into the platforms, let me quickly show you how much a data entry clerk makes each year and the various ranges of how much you might potentially earn as a side hustle by inputting words and being a data entry person. So, the national averages for the United States range from $18,000 to $73,000. Picture what you could accomplish with an extra $39,000 or even $73,000 per year on top of what you now make. Okay, now I'd like you to comment down below on whether you would purchase your parents a house, a new automobile, or pay up some bills with that money, okay? So the first site right here is called SpeechPad. You can go to speechpad.com. This website is an accurate and economical transcription service where businesses can come to get their videos transcribed and some of their content transcribed into English. As you can see, there is a total of more than 10 million total minutes transcribed and captioned on this site. You can also see down below that some of their corporate customers include Amazon, LinkedIn, Netflix, and so on, which proves that this is a legit website. Now, if you want to apply to this site, you'll have to go all the way down and go to transcription, as you can see. If you're interested in being a transcriber, discover more about our team. And it will take you to this page right here where you can apply right now and start earning right now. There is no upfront investment. You can work whenever you want. You will be paid on time twice a week, and you will be paid regardless of how much you make. So they are paying anywhere between 25 cents and $2.50 per minute, which is pretty good. And then there's the translator pay if you translate into different languages. So if you know multiple languages or want to use something like Google Translate, you could potentially earn $5 per minute, which is insane. As you can see, it is an excellent site to join and start earning right away. It is not the highest paying site, but it is a nice place to start, and it is free to join anywhere in the globe. Right now, the second website, which is called Scribie, is even better paying. This may be found at scribie.com. Upon landing on this site, you can see here transcribe your YouTube videos, documentaries, speeches, dictations, depositions, recordings, meetings, discussions, audio or video files, podcasts, interviews, sermons, lectures, and conference calls with rates starting at $0.10 per minute. But we will not be focusing on this rate as it is for the customers who want to avail the website services. We are here on this website to join as a transcriber and earn money. If you want to apply for a job on this site, scroll down and click on the sign up button which says as transcriber right here, which will lead you to a page where you may apply for the job. You can also see here the 3 steps on how to join Scribie as a transcriber. Step 1 is to sign up as a transcriber. Step 2 is to set up a PayPal account. And for step 3, you should take the transcription test. And essentially, they pay a little bit more, like $1.50 to $3 every audio minute. And if you translate up to $6 per audio minute, it is quite fantastic. You can join up as a transcriber there and be paid. Now let's go on to the last site, which is GoTranscript. You can go to gotranscript.com, and as you can see right here, they pay competitive rates for online transcribing work, with people making anywhere from an extra $1,200 to $1,500 per month, sometimes even more. And it is quite great because you can apply right now and start earning right away. Now here are the benefits when you apply and work as a transcriptionist in GoTranscript. First is that you can do transcription jobs at home, and all you need is a computer and an internet connection. Next is you can get paid reliably. You will receive weekly payouts via PayPal for all work completed, so you may earn every week and not have to worry about when your next paycheck will arrive, or whether you will be paid every 2 weeks like in a regular job. Third is you can work flexible hours, meaning you can work as much or as little as you want whenever you want. You can also receive great support. This website has a fantastic support team that resolves issues promptly. Another great thing about this site is that you have the freedom to choose your own products. You can select and filter only the job that you wanted to work on. By working also as a transcriptionist, you may grow your skills as you will be receiving regular feedback and learning from the rest of the team. The next great thing about this website is you can enjoy work variety. You can transcribe a police investigation one day and book research the next. And if you are worried about the stability of this job, worry no more, as you can stay busy here because they have a steady stream of projects waiting for you. And last but not the least, GoTranscript offers you transcription jobs online. This website gets new transcribing jobs every single day. You'll always have something to work on. Well, that is the end of the video. I hope you enjoyed it and you learned something new about this content. If you find this video useful, please leave a huge thumbs up and comment down below if you have questions. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Turn on the notification bell so you will be updated whenever I post a new video. Once again, thank you so much, and I'll see you in the next one.